Hello students, good morning. Welcome to part 1 video of our chapter number 4, that is heat. Right? In chapter 3, you have learned that woolen clothes are made from animal fibers and cotton clothes are made from plant fibers. We have seen that we wear woolen clothes in the winter season, right? Why do we wear it? Because we feel cold and the wool gives you heat, right? You might wonder that why particular types of clothes are suitable for a particular season. In winter you will feel cool inside, right, the house. If you come out in sun, you feel warm. In summer, you feel hot even inside the house. So, in this chapter, we will find the answers of this type of questions. First topic, it is hot and cold. In our day-to-day life, we come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot, some are cold. Tea is hot, ice is cold, right? So list some objects you use commonly in table 4.1 and mark these objects as hot or cold. You can easily separate the things which are hot, which are cold. We see that some objects are cold while some are hot. You also know that some objects are hotter than others while some are colder than others. So how do we decide which object is hotter than the other? So how will you decide this is hot or that is cold substance? Okay, with the sense of our touch, but is it reliable? To decide this, we can perform an activity, that is activity 4.1. Take 3 large mugs, label them as A, B and C. Now put cold water in A, hot water in B. Mix some cold and hot water in C. Now dip your left hand in A and right hand in B. After keeping the hands in 2 mugs for 2-3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in mug C. Do both the hands get the same feeling? एक हाथ को 10 मिनट तक ठंडे पानी में रखो, दूसरे को 10 मिनट 2-3 minutes, not 10, 2-3 minutes keep it in cold water, the other hand keep 2-3 minutes in hot water. Now in normal temperature water put both the hands. Do both the hands will feel the same? जो ठंडे पानी में से आया है उसको वो नॉर्मल भी गर्म लगेगा, है ना? जो गर्म पानी में से हाथ आया है उसको नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर भी ठंडा लगेगा, राइट? सो हाउ विल यू डिसाइड दैट वेदर दैट वाटर इन मग सी इज हॉट और कोल्ड? व्हाट कैन यू से? एक हाथ को ठंडा लग रहा है, एक को गर्म लग रहा है. सो बाय जस्ट द सेंस ऑफ टच यू कांट judge, right? Now Bojo's confusion shows that we cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is cold or cold, right? लेकिन मगसी का पानी तो ना ठंडा था ना गर्म था, फिर भी एक हाथ को ठंडा लगा, एक को गर्म लगा. So while just a sense of touch you can't decide, then how do we find? A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. What can you do? You can measure the temperature. Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. सुना होगा ना, थर्मोमीटर देखा है ना, बुखार आ जाता है तो yes, a doctor puts a thermometer in your mouth and measure your temperature. So hotness can be measured by temperature, and the instrument with measure a temperature is called thermometer. Measuring temperature. Okay, the temperature is measured by thermometer. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. The thermometer which measures the temperature of our body, it is called a clinical thermometer. Okay, how will you do it? Hold it in your hand and examine it carefully. A clinical thermometer looks like a one shown in figure 4. You can see in the figure 4.2, a clinical thermometer is shown, right? It consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube and a bulb at the end. That bulb contains mercury. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. उसकी जो nib होती है, point, it is made up of mercury. And also जो silver line बीच में दिखती है, that is also of mercury. Mercury क्या होता है? On heating, its temperature will be increased. So जैसे आपको कितना बुखार है वो कैसे मेजर करेंगे? उस मर्क्यूरी वाले टेम्परेचर को मुंह में रखेंगे और जितना बुखार होगा, जितना फीवर होगा, उतना मर्क्यूरी का टेम्परेचर अप जाएगा, so that it can be measured. And what is the unit of temperature? It is degree centigrade or degree Fahrenheit, right? If you do not see the mercury thread, rotate the thermometer a bit till you see it. You will also find a scale on the thermometer. The scale we use in this is Celsius scale indicated by degree C. अभी मैंने बोला the unit is Celsius, that is degree C. A clinical thermometer reads the temperature from 35 degree to 45 degree Celsius. Sorry, 42. Clinical thermometer की range है 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. Right? Okay. How to read a thermometer? How to use it? How will you read the thermometer? First, note the temperature difference indicated between the two bigger marks. Also note down the number of division given by small marks. जैसे स्केल में आप रीड करते हैं ना, 2 सेंटीमीटर्स के बीच में छोटी छोटी 10 लाइन्स होती है. Then you can note it out, 2.3, 2.5. Same way you will note the temperature of a thermometer, right? Wash the thermometer with antiseptic solution after every use. After every use उसको एक झटक देना है, झटका देना है, हिलाते हैं ना, वो झटके से क्या होता है कि mercury level will come to 0. Otherwise you will not get the perfect temperature. So you need to give a jerk, light jerk before you use the thermometer so that the mercury level will come down to 0. जब तक वो 0 पे नहीं आ जाता उसको थोड़े थोड़े झटके देने हैं. When it comes to 0, you can measure the temperature. 0 means below 35 degree. उसमें 0 नहीं होगा. 35 डिग्री से नीचे आ जाता है तब तक उसको जर्क देना है. अदरवाइज जितना होगा उससे ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा वो टेम्परेचर, राइट? Now place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue. After 1 minute, take the thermometer out and note the reading. This is your body temperature, right? And unit is degree C, that is degree Celsius. And what is the normal temperature of a human body? It is 37 degrees Celsius. Don't mix it. It is 37 degrees Celsius. 37 के साथ डिग्री सेल्सियस याद रखना. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन में आ गया, उसमें 37 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट भी लिखा होगा. डोंट मिक्स इट अप. डिग्री एफ, दैट इज अनदर यूनिट, राइट? बट द बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज जनरली मेजर्ड इन डिग्री सेल्सियस, दैट इज 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, सबका एग्जैक्टली 37 नहीं होगा, थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे दैट कैन डू, दैट इज अ नॉर्मल थिंग, राइट? The temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees. The slightly higher or lower, it is the normal thing, right? The clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body only. So the temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 or above 42. इसीलिए clinical thermometer में इतना ही range दिया होता है, because a normal temperature of a human body can't go outside 42 degree, right? So the clinical thermometer is given the range of 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. Understood? Okay. Laboratory thermometer, clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used by doctors to, right, measure the temperature of a human body, while laboratory thermometers, they are used in labs and research to measure the temperature of different chemicals. Here it can be above 42, so उसकी range है वो अलग होती है. So read it once, laboratory thermometer, and then we will go ahead, right? Thank you.